It has been said that in the shadow of Hoover Dam, one feels that the future is limitless, that we have in our grasp the power to achieve anything if we can but summon the will. Thank you for coming and seeing one of the 10 most honored construction achievements of the 20th century. Feel free to stay and take all the pictures you wish. The next presentation is located across the street at the flagpole. Welcome to the observation deck overlooking the world-famous Hoover Dam. From here, you get a spectacular panoramic view of Lake Mead, the dam, the Colorado River, and the bypass bridge. As you look over the railing, you will see the tallest concrete dam in the Western Hemisphere. Hoover Dam stands 726 feet tall and stretches 1,244 feet across the top, but only 78 feet across the base. It looks somewhat like an upside-down pyramid. This massive arch-gravity structure contains 3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete. That's enough concrete to build a two-lane highway from San Francisco to New York City.